So we're back with the MR2 and we're fixing the shifter cable. As you guys can remember, the shifter cable snapped on me, so it can't go up and down. Our parts has arrived from MR2 Heaven, and now we're going to install it. We'll need to remove this intake pipe, and then we can access the cables, as you can see back there. Okay, so I'm just gonna first remove this cover. Okay. Okay, so I got these from MR2 Heaven. Looks like they gave you, I'm not sure what this is. But here are the cables. Here is the old versus the original. Ah, okay. So that's probably for that one, because that one broke. All right, let's install all this back together. Next, we're going to adjust the right side cable by removing this rod first, and then removing 1/2 inch of the threaded part of this cable. But please note that both of these adjustments are only for the turbo model. Now for the naturally aspirated versions, the adjustments will be different. Oh, wow. I guess a much better way to doing this is before installing your shifter cable into your car, it's better to have this on a vice grip, and then if you have a power tool, to actually remove this piece of threaded portion of the cable, but I guess lesson learned. Alright, so for the left rod, what you actually want to do, you want to have the length of this extend to this pole. Okay, so it can't be, you don't want all the way short and you don't want all the way long. So you want to put your shifter in neutral, and wherever this is naturally at, you want to increase or decrease the length of this rod as such. So right now, I'm just going to insert the rod right there. And then for this one, after cutting off the threads, I realized that having this nut remove is a lot better, because with this nut installed still, I would hit the plate here at the top. Without it, and now actually doesn't hit the plate at the top anymore. And now it can actually hit number 5 or 5th gear. So now we're going to put this all back together and we'll see how it performs. Having driving this car around for a couple of days with the new shifter cable that we got from MR2 Heaven, I really like this new shifter cable. The reason why is because the shifting feels a lot more precise, controlled, and mechanical compared to before. And I think the reasons why is because we went ahead and upgraded the spherical bushing compared to the OEM rubber bushing that we had before. Alright, well that concludes my video and I hope you guys found this useful. If you guys like this video and want to see more in the future, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.